Screen and Music Travel are specialist agents for the film, television and media industry. As leaders in our field, we offer innovative solutions to your most demanding travel requirements. With over 20 years' experience, we have built up strategic relationships and alliances with all major airlines, which in many instances allows us to secure preferential airfares and discounts on excess baggage. Travel arrangements for your production will be handled by a dedicated member of the team, who will be responsible for the delivery of your project from start to finish. There are no call centre frustrations, with direct access to our staff. Your bookings are managed to allow maximum flexibility. We offer advice on carnets, visa and passport requirements, and the most cost-effective and trouble-free route for your crew. Charter aircraft can be arranged where no feasible flight options exist. We can also locate and book special vehicles to accommodate excess baggage, research and book hotel locations, and expedite special pre-departure and post-arrival arrangements. Our offices, close to Terminal 5, allow us to offer a bespoke meet and greet service to all film crews flying from Heathrow Airport. Our staff are always on hand to assist and manage the check-in process and customs formalities to ensure the best possible start for your hard-working crew. We offer extended office working hours and 24-hour emergency service all year round. Screen and Music Travel offers you a knowledgeable, reliable, agile and affordable service, which is truly an extension to your team. Screen and Music Travel. Anywhere, anytime.